What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to share your ideas online as blog posts for free without need of having a website. There is a platform called Medium, okay, where you can learn, where you can read, where you can share your ideas, and there are human stories and ideas, a place to read, write, and deepen your understanding, okay? So it's a good way to read content. I really like Medium because of the design, because of the simplicity, and because of the fact that everyone can share their ideas, okay? It's almost like a social media about blog. But into this video, we're gonna learn how to create a Medium account and how to start writing on Medium and sharing your ideas and having your own blog inside of Medium, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, okay? After this, go to medium.com or go to Google and type Medium and click on Get Started, okay? You can sign in and click on Get Started. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, or email, up to you and to your needs. Just create your account. So, welcome to Medium. We need a little more information to finish creating your account. Your full name. What are you interested in? I like technology, I like productivity, I like healthy, culture, marketing, I like books. Then continue. Per month. You can pay for Medium in the case that you want. You can support great writing and across in the case that you want, but no need to do this. You can continue as a free account. If you scroll the page down, you can click into this button. And now you are on Medium. You can already start reading amazing content. But if you review the upper right corner of your screen, there is a button called Write. Now you can start writing. Title of your post. Then you can enter a subtitle. Just like this, and keep your writing. In the case that you want, you can click into this plus button and enter with an image, with a stock image. For example, car. You can enter with a video, with a code block, embed content, or add the read more option, just like this. Now, after writing, you're gonna need to click on publish. Then you're gonna need to review the title, the subtitle. You can enter some tags for make easier people to find your content. I recommend that you really type tags. And you're gonna be ready to publish your content and people can read it. You're gonna have a link that you can share on your social media, on your WhatsApp, with your friends, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.